Good afternoon. This is our afternoon update for December the 12th. This is a Monday. Markets today were mixed in agricultural markets. We had cotton up, doing very well today. Corn and wheat were up. The soybean market struggled throughout the day. Crude oil market really set the pace overnight, much higher overnight. At one point up $3 a barrel, but it did not hold those levels. Up now about $1.60. No real news today. We have continued to see cotton up and down for weeks on end, trading roughly, or for most of the time, between 70 and 72, occasionally getting above it, occasionally might get below it, but it always seems to come up into that range and be comfortable there. At some point, this is going to change. We're going to break out of this sideways range. Don't know when. Could do it for a while longer. But we're going to break out of this range and surprise some people when we do. So let's look at cotton up 82 at 71.62, a high of 71.78 and a low of 70.65. March soybeans down 6 at 10.42.5, a high of 10.58.5, a low of 10.37 3/4. The corn market in March was up 1 cent today at 3.60.5. The high of the day was 3.61. The low was 3.56. Wheat was up 3/4 at 4.17. It had a high of 4.17 3/4 and a low of 4.08.5. Now, corn and wheat made these highs in the last 60 seconds, and cotton made its high in the last 67 seconds. So we're gonna really watch tomorrow to see if we get followed through. Oftentimes one good move one day leads to the opposite move the next. But if we can string together a couple of days with good volume moving in one direction, in this case up, we can really see this market take out some highs and maybe run into some buy stops, at least in cotton. Right now, dollar down 65, crude oil up 160, gold up $3, silver up about 20 cents right now. The Dow Jones it seems like every day since the election, since Trump was the election, I would say 95% of these days we've been here and closed up. Very powerful sign for the market to see that. So that's it. Have a good evening, and we will talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.